In this session of Understanding Google Analytics, we're going to take a look at events. Specifically, we're going to define what an event is in the Google Analytics context, why that matters, and a couple of useful things about it. So, what is an event? Well, if we look at a dictionary, Merriam-Webster will tell us that it's something that happened, or an occurrence. But Google says an event is the measurement of an interaction or occurrence on your website. Hang on, what does that mean though? Imagine you are outside on a dark and stormy night. Suddenly, lightning strikes. Telling a friend about it the next day, you might have said, "Oh my God, I saw the most amazing lightning strike during the storm. A giant bolt slammed into the ground while 7 branches splintered the air. It turned the whole sky purple and blue." But what does that have to do with Google Analytics? The drone of rain we heard is all of the things that make our website work. But that flash of lightning, that's the user doing something that matters. The lightning is our event. It's the occurrence that we care about. It's the thing to be measured. And just like the modifiers we used to more richly describe the lightning to our friend, we can add parameters to our events in Google Analytics to capture more detail. Parameters in Google Analytics power custom dimensions and metrics, so along with events, they are the fuel that power our analytics engine. Now that we know what an event is, let me tell you just a couple of cool things about them. One cool thing is that events are platform agnostic. Whether web, iOS, or Android, all events have the same structure. That means that all of our data streams can easily be joined for a cohesive view of our product performance. Another cool thing is that we can send any custom event we want as long as it follows the event schema. We can measure things on our terms and with data that is important to us. So what have we learned? We learned that in Google Analytics, an event is the measurement of an interaction or occurrence. We learned that events have the same structure regardless of where they came from. We learned that events have parameters that provide detail and context for the event. We also learned that parameters can be used to drive custom dimensions and metrics in Google Analytics. Finally, we learned that we can create our own custom events. And now you know what an event is and why they matter in Google Analytics.